Every day is a chance to begin again. Don't focus on the failures of yesterday. Start today with positive thoughts and expectations. A very cheerful morning to one and all present out here. I, Ananya Chalana, on behalf of my class, welcome you all to our spacious assembly. The topic of our assembly is Indian democracy.
As you know, democracy in India works on the principle of political equality. Furthermore, it essentially means that all citizens are equal before the law. Most noteworthy, there is no discrimination on the basis of caste, race, creed, sect, etc. Hence, every Indian citizen enjoys equal political rights. Democracy rests upon the principle of majority rule and individual rights.
Now it's time for pledge. Please stand up, put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. O God, I offer you, my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Don't weigh your thoughts, put your vision to reality. Wake up and live. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. So now, Arush Arora is going to speak the thought of the day.
The thought of the day is Indian democracy symbolizes the belief that every citizen's voice is equally important in shaping the directions of the nation's progress and prosperity. I repeat my thought. Indian democracy symbolizes the belief that every citizen's voice is equally important in shaping the directions of the nation's progress and prosperity. Thank you.
Today, we bring to you a skit that celebrates the power and beauty of our Indian democracy. A democracy where every voice counts and every vote matters. So today's assembly will take you through the importance of voting and how each of us contributes in shaping the future of our nation.
Scene 1. Home. Rohan and Priya, two curious cousins, are discussing about the upcoming elections. Little do they know, this conversation will lead them to a deeper understanding of democracy.
Hey Priya, I heard from my teacher that the elections are coming soon. They were discussing how important it is for everyone to vote. My parents have also been talking about voting and I am starting to learn more about it. It seems like a big event and I am curious to learn more.
Yeah, I heard about it too. But what's the big deal? It's just casting a vote, right?
I am not sure, why everyone is so excited about this. What is so special about voting?
As Rohan and Priya wonder about the importance of voting, Grandpa, a wise elder, walks in. He senses their curiosity and decides to share his wisdom about democracy with them.
Hello kids.
Hello Grandpa.
I see you are talking about something very important. It's voting.
Yeah Grandpa.
Voting isn't just a task. It's the power each citizen holds in a democracy. But Grandpa, what does democracy really mean? Well, democracy means rule by the people. It means the government is elected by the citizen and it works for the people. Here, each citizen has the right to vote and each vote matters.
But Grandpa, how does one vote make a difference?
Think of it like this. Imagine, everyone thought their vote didn't matter. No one would vote and we would never get good leaders.
Scene 3. The election process. After 2 days, Grandpa took them to an election booth. An election officer stands by with a ballot box.
Welcome everyone. Today we will vote to elect our leaders. You all have the power to select your representatives. But remember, your all votes are equal. Whether you are rich or poor, old or young, your vote matters.
Now politician 1, Mr. Sharma enters appealing for the votes.
Vote for me and I will bring changes you won't lead. A better quality of life, a strong education system and a better infrastructure.
Then politician 2, Mr. Arora enters appealing for the votes.
Vote for me and I'll bring changes you all need. Better schools, cleaner streets and jobs for everyone.
Priya and Rohan cast their vote for the first time and step aside to talk.
It feels so important. My vote is part of shaping our future.
Yes, now I understand what Grandpa meant. Democracy is about each of us having a say.
As Rohan and Priya reflect the significance of their actions, thanks to their newfound understanding, they now realize that democracy is not just about voting, it's about holding people accountable and choosing their leaders. And now the scene shifts back to home with Rohan, Priya and Grandpa.
See, by voting, you have to choose a leader who will work for your rights, your dreams, and your future. That's the beauty of Indian democracy. I have never realized this before, but now I understand how much power we all have.
Yes, and it's not just about voting, it's about staying informed, asking questions, and making sure our leaders are doing their jobs.
Exactly. Democracy isn't just a one-day event. It's something we live and protect every day. Always remember, your voice matters. Thank you, Grandpa. We're lucky to live in a democracy where our voice counts. In
In a democracy, every vote and every voice matters. Thank you.
Music is the voice of our soul. It expresses what words sometimes cannot. This morning, let us immerse ourselves in the powerful melody of We Are Unity, performed by Radhe Raj of our class, and allow it to fill our heart and brighten our day.
I have a dream of who I wanna be. I wanna be free. That's what my heart keeps telling me. Give me your hand, we find the way. There's people that feel the same. If we help each other, we just know we can succeed. We are one, we are different. We are all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same ocean. We are every boy and girl. Come together and share your dreams to be among the stars. And we know that it's destiny. We are unity. We are unity. Thank you.
Today, we are together here to discuss the topic of Indian democracy. Democracy is a system of government where citizens exercise power by voting. Let's know how democracy in India, shaped by the combination of various factors.
Democracy is a system of government where power is held by the people either directly or through elected representatives. The term democracy comes from the Greek word demos, meaning people, and kratos, meaning power.
Roots of democracy started initially from ancient Athens 500 BCE, direct democracy in Athens, where citizens participated directly in decision making through assemblies and juries. Ancient Rome 509 BCE, representative democracy in Rome, where elected representatives made decisions on behalf of citizens. Magna Carta 1215 CE, English nobles limited the king's power, establishing due process and protection of individual rights. English Civil War 1642 to 1651 CE, Parliament victory over the monarchy led to the establishment of constitutional monarchy and representative democracy. American Revolution 1775 to 1783 CE, colonialists fought for independence, establishing a democracy with the US Constitution 1787 CE. French Revolution 1789 to 1799 CE, overthrew monarchy, establishing the first French Republic and influencing modern democracy. Ancient India 6th century BCE, Republican clans and tribal assemblies in ancient India such as Lichvi and Vaishali republics.
Birth of democracy can be traced by key events and milestones. Indian independence movement 1857 to 1947. Struggle for independence from British colonial rule led to groundwork for democratic ideals. Indian National Congress 1885 founded to promote Indian rights and self-rule. It became a key player in the independence movement.
Montagu Chelmsford reforms 1970 introduced limited self-government and electoral representation, paving the way for a democratic institution. Government of India Act 1935 established provincial autonomy and expanded electoral representation.
Indian Constitution 1950 adopted on January 26, 1950, it established India as a sovereign democratic republic ensuring fundamental rights, democratic principles. First general election 1951 to 1952, First general election 1951 to 1952, India's first democratic election were citizen, marking the beginning of democratic governance.
The key figures who contribute to the birth of democracy in India include Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi led the non-violent independence movement, inspiring democratic values. The second key figure is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru played a key role in drafting the constitution and became the India's first prime minister.
And the third one was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the Constitution Assembly, responsible for drafting the constitution. And the fourth one was Subhash Chandra Bose, led the Indian National Army fighting for independence and democratic ideals.
Both the Keshwananda Bharti case and 1975 emergency had lasting impacts on India's legal and political system. The Keshwananda Bharti case safeguarded the constitution's core values against excessive amendments, while the emergency served as a harsh reminder of vulnerabilities of democracy and need for vigilance in protecting fundamental rights and democratic process.
Now let's discuss key characteristics of democracy and Indian democracy. Free and fair elections. Citizens choose their representative through regular, transparent, competitive elections. Protection of individual rights. Democracy safeguarded fundamental rights such as speech, assembly and equality before the law.
Rules of law. Democracy are governed by a set of laws that apply equally to all citizens and government is accountable to the people. Separation of power. Power is divided among separate branches of government, legislative, executive and judicial to prevent abuse of authority.
Citizen participation. Citizens are encouraged to engage in political process through voting and public debates. Accountability and transparency. Government action are open to scrutiny and officials are held to accountable for their decisions.
Pluralism and diversity. Democracy celebrate and protect diversity, allowing for diverse perspectives and opinions.
Economic growth and development. Democratic governance has facilitated economic growth and lifting millions out of poverty. Social reform and inclusion. India has made significant progress in social reform, promoting inclusion and addressing social and economical inequalities.
Decentralization and local governance. Power has been devolved to the local government, empowering citizens and promoting grassroots democracy, resilience and adaptability. Indian democracy has demonstrated resilience in the face of challenges, adapting to the changing circumstances.
Democracy can take various forms, including direct democracy. Citizens make the decisions through referendums or town hall meetings. Representative democracy. Citizens elect representatives to make the decisions on their behalf. Constitutional democracy. A constitution outlines the limits and powers of government, protecting individuals' rights and promoting accountability. Now we'll discuss how India became the largest democracy in the world.
Population growth. India's population grew rapidly after independence, making it the second most populous country. Universal adult franchise. India adopted universal adult franchise in 1950, granting voting rights to all citizens above 21 years, later lowered to 18 years.
Regular election. India has held regular elections since 1951, ensuring peaceful transfer of power and citizen participation.
Constitutional framework. India's constitution established dramatic framework dividing power among the executive, legislature and judiciary.
Expansion of waterways. India's waterways expanded significantly with increased participation from rural areas, women, and marginalized communities. Strengthening of democratic institutions. Institutions like Election Commission, Parliament, and Judiciary have been strengthened, ensuring free and fair elections.
Decentralization and local governance. Power division to local government has citizen participation and expectations. Inclusive policies. Integrated like reservation for marginalized communities and women empowerment have promoted inclusion.
Economic growth and development. Economic growth has improved living standards, increasing citizen engagement and participation. Civic engagement and awareness. Civil society, media, education have raised awareness about democratic rights and responsibilities. In 2024, total number of voters were 96.88 crore. India created a vote record with 64.2 crore voters, including 31.2 women participate in Lok Sabha election this year. In India's democratic journey, it has been marked by challenges, but its commitment to democratic principle has ensured its position in the world's largest democracy. Thank you.
To make this morning even more beautiful, Arjun of my class is going to present a Hindi song.
relevant thing of all songs of expressions. So here are some students of our class to sway away your heart with a classical dance performance.
platform that enables us creatively and individually communicate our thoughts. So some of my classmates will be reciting an English poem.
In India, vast and full of cheer, a land where we both speak and hear, we choose our leader, bold and free, that's the heart of democracy.
From mountains high to oceans wide, in every town people decide. No kings or queens to rule our land. We all have a voice, we all take a stand.
Each vote we cast, each choice we make, help shapes the future path we take. In unity yet different we stay, together we grow day by day.
With many culture, faiths and dreams, India's democracy always gleams. For every boy and every girl, it opens up a hopeful world.
So let's respect the rights we hold, a treasure greater than any gold. For in our hands the power we see, to build a future strong and free.
Thank you.
Now, we invite some students of our class to present a Hindi poem. Let us open our hearts and mind as we listen to their beautiful words.
जलती एक मशाल हूँ, शस्त्रों में मैं ढाल हूँ, सूर्य सा विशाल हूँ, गर्व हूँ मैं देश का घमंड हूँ, मैं लोकतंत्र हूँ, हाँ मैं ही लोकतंत्र हूँ, आवाज हूँ हर एक की, अधिकार हूँ हर एक का, न्याय का मैं देव हूँ, स्वतंत्रता का परिपेक्ष हूँ, गर्व हूँ मैं देश का घमंड हूँ, मैं लोकतंत्र हूँ, हाँ मैं ही लोकतंत्र हूँ। आवाज हो जो डर गई, सांस हो जो रुक गई, कदम जो लड़खड़ा गए, तूफान से घबरा गए, जो झुक गए, जो गिर गए, मैं वो नहीं, गर्व हूँ मैं देश का घमंड हूँ, मैं लोकतंत्र हूँ, हाँ मैं ही लोकतंत्र हूँ, स्वतंत्र हूँ, तुम रहो या ना रहो, दर्द हो या धार हो, डूबती हर नाव हो, बुझती हर मशाल हो, या आखिरी है सांस हो, स्वतंत्र हूँ, हाँ मैं ही लोकतंत्र हूँ, गर्व हूँ मैं देश का घमंड हूँ, मैं लोकतंत्र हूँ, हाँ मैं ही लोकतंत्र हूँ। धन्यवाद।
As the music fills the air, let you transport into the world of rhythm and melody. We hope this performance brings a sense of joy and peace to each of you.
हर जगह। कैसे लिखूं फिर से नई दास्तां, हम कैसे आए दिखती है कहाँ। जो चुनी है मेरी थी रजा, रहता हूँ क्यों फिर खुद से ही खफा। ऐसी भी हुई थी मुझसे क्या खता, तूने जो मुझे दी जीने की सजा। एक बनी हाथों से यूं बह गई, तकदीर मेरी बिखरी हर जगह। कैसे लिखूं फिर से नई दास्तां, हम कैसे आए दिखती है कहाँ। जो चुनी है मेरी थी रजा, रहता हूँ क्यों फिर खुद से ही खफा। ऐसी भी हुई थी मुझसे क्या खता, तूने जो मुझे दी जीने की सजा।
Save birds, save trees, save life too. Preserve nature for me and you. Their songs and shade a perfect blend. Let's protect them till the very end.